What is up, family? It's your boy D coming right back at you with another one. Right now, we're back in the lab, and a demo is on the menu. Alright, family, as you guys can see, this is the Vizio Soundbar back on our menu. We are going to be doing a demo of this. The tools that we're going to be needing to do a demo of this is going to be the Windows laptop. Why am I using the Windows laptop? Why am I using Windows software? Because Windows software is free with my operating system. Secondly, we're going to be using the Blue Snowball microphone, pretty good microphone. I'll be doing a separate review on this guy later on. It does have 3 different settings on the back of it. It has a filter for mostly voice, studio quality voice, and it also has a third filter for pretty much what I would consider a full range of things. Picks up all type of noises, even the cars passing in the background, and that's the setting that I have it on. I don't want it filtered at all. Secondly, our sound source is going to be the YouTube free music studio or audio library that they have. This is a 3-minute track. I'm going to be running that track. That track have multiple tracks on it, so you'll get a different genres across a different wide spectrum of frequency responses. The reason why I'm doing the video is because I wanted to do a proper before and after for the video, or for the soundbar. I am going to be removing the internals of this out of this casing and building a new case for it. And I do want to do a before and after for you guys to try to compare the sound quality to see if Vizio did it the best that it could be done with these drivers, or if a novice builder like myself could come and make it even better. So that's pretty much what this video is all about. No need of prolonging things. I'm going to go ahead and push the play button. But first, I have to share something with you guys. When doing a setup like this, an external recording source from what I'm actually videoing here, sometimes when you merge the two, you can get a out of sync type of thing going on here as far as the woofer flex not exactly moving with the music. I'm going to try to sync these things as best as possible. But if you do witness something like that during the video, please know that that's what it is, and that the sound source that I am using is not coming from the crappy camera, because the microphone on this camera is pretty crappy. It's actually coming from the Blue Snowball microphone. With enough of that out of the way, let's jump right off into this thing. So I'm going to be positioning the camera here so you guys can get a full view of the woofer flex. I'm going to be hitting record on the Windows on the Windows side of things, and I'm actually going to be doing a countdown when I push the button to try to improve the sync. So that's testing 1, 2, 3. And with that, the music will start shortly. so that was it for right now. I just kind of like wanted to share that with you guys. I do know that Vizio do kind of throw some filters into this, and so I know that it's not going to do all of the sub frequencies as it actually is coupled with a subwoofer to handle all that for it. Before the price that I paid for this thing, I think it sounds pretty good. That's me in my opinion. But I am, like I said previous, going to be redoing this. But as of right now, like I said, I just kind of like wanted to give you guys a before and after type footage. And this is, of course, going to be the before footage. And later on, I will be giving you guys a after performance after I finish with the soundbar. So that's it for right now. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you appreciated the video, give it a thumbs up. Always leave a tip in the comment section below if you have one. Always share the video if you have someone who can get something, or you know someone who can learn something or get something out of this. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy D, and I'm out.